Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Moriah Elizabeth, so let's get started. To draw Moriah, we're going to first start by drawing her hair. So I'm going to start right here where her hair parts. Just going to give myself a point. I'm going to start right there, and I'm going to bring a curve, comes down towards this side, because one side her hair is more parted to the one side, and then on this side it's going to come down. And we're going to just bring this down a little bit more. And this side right here is just going to be a little bit straighter. Okay, so now we have, this is kind of be where her kind of forehead area would be. So her eyes will be starting in this area where you start to curve. So I'm just going to come, say about right here, towards the edge, and I'm going to draw a circle for her eyes. Right up against her hair. So on this side, I'm going to come close to the edge and draw another circle. There. Okay, so let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Okay, so we have her eyes, and let's come to the edge right here, and we're going to draw some lashes. Just pop out a curve, and that's another one, shorter one, and same thing over here. And then let's come above this eye, so say about right here. I'm going to draw her brow, so it's just a soft curve above each eye. There. Okay, so then let's come, say, about right here. We're going to draw a smile, so about right here. Her face is a little bit longer, so we're going to bring the mouth a little lower. And let's just bring this out a little bit more for the hair that frames her face. And so then now we can go ahead and draw the bottom. So I'm just going to come, say, about right here. And here, and just go ahead and draw a curve for her bottom of her face. There. Okay, finally figured that out. Okay, so we have her face, and finally, let's come to the edge where we started right here, and we're just going to draw a slight angle line for where her hair parts. Not too long, and we're going to come down, and up here we're going to go up. So then right here, let's just add a curve that comes up a little bit and tapers in, just to give her hair some dimension. And let's go ahead and bring this around. So it's not going to be too poofy because her hair is pretty flat to her head. So right here I'm just going to start to bring this down. And bring this down on this side. So it's going to be pretty close to her face. Got a strand right here, if you like. Okay, so from there, let's finish her body before we finish the rest of her hair. So I'm going to come right in the center. Your small low neck right there, and bring this down and start to draw her shoulders. So it's pretty even. So I'm just going to imagine her shoulders, so say about right here. Give myself 2 points on both sides where kind of her armpits would be, and I'm just going to bring a slight angle line down. Just very slightly. So then from there, I can start to build her outfit. So let's bring this down a little bit more for her shoulder. And about right here, we're gonna add a little curve that comes all the way to the other side. Bring this up a little bit more. And so then let's go ahead and bring the shirt down. So I'm just gonna flare it out a tiny bit. And so it's a pretty long shirt, so I'm just gonna bring it down a little bit more. And on this side, it's gonna be a little bit lower, so let's go up right now, about right here. I'm gonna curve it up and go all the way to the other side. So about right there, and connect it. So then let's bring the sleeve, both sides. So about right there, we're gonna cut it. And same thing over here. And you can add some crease lines for a shirt. And so then now let's work on the legs. So really close right here, I'm gonna add in the center, slight angle line. And we're gonna bring down her jeans. So right here in the center, draw 2 angle lines, and we're gonna bring this all the way down on both sides. And we're just gonna taper as we go down. So it's always the hardest thing for me to figure out what to have these YouTubers wear. So hopefully you guys have been loving all the outfits I've been giving my YouTubers and drawings here. So I'm just gonna keep bringing this down. Nice long legs, right? So about a little bit more. But right there, I'll cut it off. There. And let's draw her shoes. So I'm just giving her simple shoes, sneakers. Just flare it out a little bit and then bring it in. So if you're a fan of Moriah Elizabeth, please let her know I drew her and hopefully she'll see it and love it. And let's see right here. Curve right here and 2 lines there and maybe some laces. There. Okay, so then you can add some details right here in this straight line, maybe an indication of a pocket. Both sides, and now let's draw her arms. So I'm simplifying it and just bringing it to her side. I guess you can always have her hold a squishy, right? But right here, just to make it a little bit easier, we're just gonna bring her hands down. So it's gonna pass around her hip area and draw a thumb. And let's just go ahead and follow. It's about right there, bring out angle and connect. So same thing over here. About this area right here, thumb, and once again, follow. And about right there, angle it for the fingers. There. Okay, so then now we can finally finish her hair. So really long, gorgeous, straight hair. So I'm just going to give it a slight wave and then just bring it down. So about right there and zigzag it across. So same thing over here. I'm just going to tuck this one in a little bit more, so about the same area right there. And some parting lines if you like. And so some decorations on her shirt. Decided to draw her Mariah's cupcake. So I'm going to come to the center about right here and draw a circle. And I'm just going to start to draw a bunch of curves. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm just going to connect it with a wobble. For the top of the cupcake, and add some creases right here that come in. And then the bottom, it's going to be another curve. Comes in a little bit more, and then the cut part. So 2 angle lines and connect it. Okay, so then you can just draw some lines in here, long and short, for the cupcake part, the cut part. And of course I'm gonna have to add a heart right here, right? And so then now she's my Trusted Cute Moriah Elizabeth. Hopefully you love how this turned out, and if you're a fan of hers, please make sure to let her know that I drew her, and hopefully she'll see it. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love it, please remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Trusted Cute videos. See you later.